So in this video, we will try to create some custom AgentForce actions. But first, we will see what is the need of the custom actions. Okay. So let me give some tasks to Einstein Copilot or AgentForce. Create a task with subject follow up for the account record Jennifer. Okay. Let's see it will create or not. Okay. So it says that creating tasks directly is not supported and it cannot create. So let's create a custom action for this. Then we will see it will be able to create the task or not. So for that, what we will do, we will create a flow first. Okay. Let's go to flows, create new flow. Next, auto launch flow, because currently AgentForce is supporting only this type of flow. Okay. So we will go with this. And we just want to create records, then select create records, create task. We want to manually assign, choose object task, then fields that we need to give here is related to ID. We will create a variable because we want to give the record ID dynamically through AgentForce. Okay. So this will be available for input only. This is most important part when you are creating a variable here. Always select carefully, because if you select both, then it will show you in agent actions differently. I will show you that thing. Okay. So related ID is okay. Then subject is also we want to take from user task subject. Okay. Then we want due date. Due date, I will give just system date. Okay. Then due date is okay. Okay, assign to ID. To whom we want to assign it is the current user ID. Okay. Current user dot ID. So this is okay. We want to manually assign it. Then the variable task ID, and this one we will show because we want, once the task has been created, we want to show it onto the output. Okay. So we need to select here available for output and just give here. Hmm. Then just save it. So while saving, you need to give the description. It's important. Create task using AgentForce. This flow will create task records when a user does relate subject related to an checked record. Or we just give like this. Okay, save it and activate it. If you do not activate it, it will not show in agent actions. When you will create the agent actions, it will not give you the options. So let's create a agent action. Select flow here, then you will get your flow name here. You can see create task using AgentForce. Okay. So if you see here in agent action instructions, the description that we have given for flow, it is showing here. Okay. Let me add some more info to this. Okay. So this action creates a task record when user asks AgentForce to create a task with a subject. For example, user can say create a task or account with subject follow up. Okay. So if you see here in input and outputs, it is coming accordingly the variable that we have selected. Okay. So we want task subject from user, related ID also for which record they want to create. Okay. And let's see. Due date, it will collect auto. Hmm. Then we just want to show the task ID and the created task into the conversation. Okay. So let me give some instruction for this. We need a require input. Related ID will be J. Let's see. So here we will give show the created task card in the, or just give this. Let's see. It is created, then we need to add it to the, now we need to add this agent action into the agents. So this action that we are seeing here, this Einstein one, is Einstein Copilot agent. Okay. Einstein Copilot agent, then open builder. First deactivate it, otherwise it will not allow you to add new actions. Okay, go to the topic, add one instruction for our new agent. Like when a user wants to create a class record, find the parent object record by name and create a task record with the subject mentioned by the user. Save it and add asset from library and select your one. Create task using AgentForce. Finish and activate it. Now refresh it. Okay, let me check any other records. Okay, so we will go with this force. Create a task under the S force account record. Let's see it will create the task or not. Let me open the S force. Okay, so because we have given our instruction to create a task record with this subject by default, so it is created. Let's see. If you come here and see logger call has been created. Okay. So this is how you can create a custom action. Let me try one more thing. We will give a different subject here. Create a task with subject follow up under the same record as force account record. It is showing that it has been created. Let me just refresh. So if you see here in the activity, we have two tasks record. One is logger call. The second one is follow up. Okay. So I hope you guys like the video. Thank you so much.